Welcome all, thank you for watching this video. Today topic is unit testing with pytest, an introduction to writing effective test in Python. My name is Objit Patro. Agenda or topic you are going to learn today. What is unit testing? Why use pytest? This is a module. Installing pytest, that is how to install pytest. Writing a simple test. Running tests using fixtures. Parameterized testing. What is unit testing? Unit testing is a software testing technique. It focuses on individual units and components, breaking the entire program into different parts or small parts, and then test. And it ensures each part of software works as expected. It is typically automated for faster and consistent feedback, and it is done during development cycle or during development of the application. Why use pytest? Although there are many testing modules in Python, but we still use pytest as because it is simple and easy to use. It supports features for setup and teardown, extensive plugins ecosystem, support parameterized testing, detailed and readable error reports. Installing pytest. How to install pytest? Pytest is not a part of Python package. You need to install it in your system. To install pytest using pip, you need to write command in your command prompt or cmd, type pip space install paste type test, and then download will be going on. After downloading and after installing, you can use pytest. For verifying installation, whether you have pytest already installed in your machine or whether it is installed successfully in your machine or in your system, you can check it. You need to write in command prompt pytest, after that hyphen double after that space, after space double hyphen, and then you need to write version. Writing a simple test. This is a simple basic example. Create a test file. You need to create a test file. You can give a name like test_sample.py, extension py. Write test function starting with test underscore. Use assertion to validate outcomes. That is, you can validate or get output or error message using assertions. Let's see example. You need to define a function using def space test underscore addition. We are going to show a addition under first bracket. That is there is no parameter. After that colon, assert, after space 1 plus 1, that is we going to add two number. After that equal, that is we are going to check, and 2 means whether sum of 1 plus 1 is 2 or not. Running test. So how you can run test file? Run all test file in the current directory. That is, if you want to run all the test file in a directory, then you have to write in command prompt type test, run a specific test file, or to run a specific test file, you need to write in command prompt pytest, then space name of the file, that is say test underscore sample.py. View details output, that is to get the view of the output, you can write command pytest after space -v. Using fixtures. Fixtures are used to manage setup and tear down. Define a fixture using @pytest.fixture, that is, this is a kind of annotated. Let's see an example. @pytest.fixture, @pytest.fixture, using function def and after space sample underscore data, this is the name of the function, and this function have no parameter, that is why there is no inside first bracket there is nothing, after that colon, then return, and return a list, say 1 2 3. Next there is another function def test underscore sum, and this sum function takes the previous function sample underscore data as parameter, after colon assert, that is we are displaying message using assert, after that writing the formula sum under first bracket sample underscore data, that is function, and then double equal to, it indicate we are going to check whether the sum is equals to 6 or not, that is sum is equal to 6 or not. Then parameterized testing. Test multiple inputs and outputs using @typetest.mark.parameterize. Let's see some basic example. @pytest.mark.parameterize, under as a parameter here we give two parameter, one is variable list, that is a comma b comma result, inside a text, after that comma, and then we provide a list, that is 2-dimension data. It represent two tuple a and b, 1 2 3 and 4 5 9, and another is tuple is represent result 10 comma -1 comma 9. Def, we define a function test underscore addition, and here provide parameter a comma b comma result, after colon assert a plus b equals to result, that is we check up a plus b, we are adding two tuple a plus b, and whether the result is equal to, that is sum of a and b is equal to result or not, that is 10 comma -1 comma 9 or not. Let's summary, that is conclusion. What we learned from this video: unit testing is essential for reliable software. PyTest simplifies writing and managing tests. Features like fixtures and parameterized testing make it powerful and flexible. Start small and build comprehensive test coverage. that's all for today. If you have any query, any question or any suggestion, you can put it in the channel or in your community. Thank you.